you've reached the end, and still you don't feel. Do you know you're beautiful? Do you know you're beautiful? Do you know you're beautiful? You are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. If you could ignore what you've become, take it out and see it die again. You could be healed. So who's a friend? And still you don't feel. Do you know you're beautiful? Do you know you're beautiful? Do you know you're beautiful?